Did everybody walk through today's video? Today's video, I got that door pocket right there. Because if you own a Jeep JK, you know how annoying this is. Very simple. I'm just going to remove the 2 Torx screws. One there, one there. We're going to cut this mesh out. Put the new one in. Less than 5 minutes. Done. I don't know if this is going to be any better. I guess we'll soon find out. Put another one on the bottom. Super easy Amazon purchase. Once again, installs really simple. These pockets are practical now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.